We got Everclear, we got orange soda. Let us party. Okay, so guys, you grab your orange soda. Open this bad boy up. It's mixed in the bottle, okay? So you can pour some out. Now I like to pour and tell about the label. But if you want more booze, then by all means, pour more. But we're using Everclear, so be careful, okay? Don't pour too much and go with more Everclear because that will be undrinkable. I mean, it'll be drinkable, but I mean, you really want to die at your party? Man, Jim's party was so lit. Yeah. So what happened? So when's he having the next one? No, he died afterward. That's how lit it was, okay? Jim's dead, all right? Everclear poisoning. So guys, you saw the Kool-Aid, okay? This is strawberry we're using here. Strawberry Kool-Aid. Look at it sizzling in there. It's sizzling or shaking or doing something. Look at it bubbling away, guys. We can also use cherry. We're coming in with 2 Kool-Aid colors. You don't have to stir this. I just want to see what the color looks like. You notice the color now is a bright red. Now, it comes with the devil's soup, okay? AKA Everclear. 75.5% alcohol. Where's it? Right there. They just recently loaded for California. You can't buy this here anymore. They only sell us the 60% one. Okay? Guys, I mean, that's almost half a bottle. I could see y'all like keep going. Okay, fine. You sick bastards. Okay, that's half a bottle. I can't do more than that, okay? Somebody got to drink this. It ain't gonna be me. Okay? I will have kids one day, okay? Live to a ripe old age. So now I put a little seal on this bad boy. Let me just go back and forth. Now, if you can do this, you're shaking a soda, okay? You're shaking a soda. Yes, there's alcohol in here, but this is still highly carbonated. Oh! That right there, Einstein ain't never do that. And there you have it! It's called sweet tart because Kool-Aid is tarty and the soda is sweet. So you bring in the two together. You see what I'm saying? That's what we're doing here. And we pour that out. This is your little home mix, all right? Bingo! Sweet Tart, as always, drink responsibly. Never drink and drive. And make sure you extend that pinky. It's called Black Excellence. Later!